Today was the first day of school, and my last stop for the day is back here at the cabin. We have a buyer for the cabin, and I haven't been able to be back here to check the garden in a while. Honestly, I didn't know what I was going to find. Now, today I want to harvest whatever is ready while I still can, and I'm starting with the potatoes. Now, here's the thing about potato plants. They're supposed to look like a complete disaster. People see this, they think they failed. Brown and withered, it looks like it was left in a parking lot. That's a potato saying, I'm done. Mine, they did something a little different. Look down here. I have new green growth coming from the old stalks. We've had crazy heat, then rain, then more heat, and then more rain. This is called secondary growth. Basically, the potato plant died and then it clocked back in. Now, normally I would wait a little longer. Since we've sold the cabin, I'm gonna get in here and see what we've got. When you dig potatoes, just start a few inches away from the stem of the plant and just uncover. Now we get to see exactly what has been going on while I've been gone. Here we go. Now, potatoes can spread out, and there's usually more even after you think you're done. Now I'm going to rub the skin gently with my thumb. If the skin rubs off easily, it's still a new potato. It's perfectly good to eat. I'll use it sooner instead of trying to store it. Now, if the skin stays in place like this one, it has toughened up and it will be better for storage. Now, any potatoes I accidentally cut or stab will also get used first. And if I find one like this, which has turned green, I'm not going to eat this one because green potatoes can make you sick. I won't wash the potatoes I plan to store. I'm basically going to brush the loose dirt off, keep them somewhere cool and dark with good airflow. Even though that bed looks like a complete disaster, there could still be a whole potato harvest underneath it. This little knob on my potato, it's caused by a physiological disorder known as tuber second growth or knobbing. The cause occurs when the normal growth cycle of your potato is temporarily interrupted and then suddenly restarts. Basically, this happens when you have triggers of heat stress, soil temperature rising above 75 degrees can also cause it. Irregular moisture, alternating periods of drought and heavy rain like we have had here in southern Indiana. Also, a sudden surge in nitrogen can also cause that as well. Now, potatoes are completely safe to eat. They just look kind of funny. They're still good. You can either just cut that little knob off during prep or peel and cook the potato normally. As with all potatoes, just make sure to discard them if they have turned soft, shriveled, or green, which indicates high levels of a natural toxin, solanine. Have your potato plants ever died back and then started growing again? Let me know in the comments. And remember, every day grow something good.